How's that? Wow, look at it, angry fish. £18 and a couple of ounces. We've got £18.
How much?
£18.
£18.
Just over £18.
Bring her in, Mark. Go on, Marky Mark. Bring her in, boy. That's it. Bring her in.
She's in.
Hey.
So what do you do now, people? Well, exactly as I said. Take the line, release the line, and the hook's out of its mouth. Full stop. Full stop. The proof's in the pudding, fella.
So the fish doesn't
Oh, you fishermen who keep your tight line with your pressured fish in the net. Take the bail arm off. Once you've got it in the net, take the bail arm off, fisherman.
What do you say? One more?
Big fish.
Big fish.
Let me get the other rod out.
Look, we've got a next catch, people. Big fish this time. Mad thing. Look, can't lift it up with one hand. You're mad. You
break the net.
You break the net.
You break the net.
How good vibes. How good vibes. We're outside.
Wow, let's have a look at the other side, people. Wow, this is big.
Whoa.
This is big.
Calm down. Yes, everybody, welcome to 24 Hour Kitchen. Big up Marky Mark. I'm Ringo Vision. I'm on camera today, people. You know why? Because Mark's invited me out to actually do some carp fishing. What's this you're actually mixing up, Mark?
This is a method mix, so basically just a powder.
Yeah.
Bits of krill and tuna all flaked down.
Yeah.
Some hemp seeds out of a tin, which
Right.
is spiced with chilli. Hopefully we're going to mould that into the method feeder.
Yeah.
Cast him out, and that's just like an attractant.
Just to attract the fishes, yeah?
That's to attract the fish to your bait. Because you're just fishing out there with one single little bait. So hopefully you know, the fish would smell that. They'd come in, suck up on your bait, the alarm will go. Happy days.
Happy days, people, yeah? We're fishing today. Carp fishing. Welcome to 24 Hour Kitchen, people, yeah? You're joined here with myself, Ringo Vision, and Marky Mark. We've come out here with our equipment. We've got the gears, them here, fishing rod. We've got a fishing net.
Fishing net.
Fishing net.
We've got two fishing nets, people. A 24-inch little spoon, as we call it.
Yeah.
And we've got a big old bad 42-inch big boy. For the very big ones. If they come in.
Mark, guess what?
Go on.
We're getting 3 little birds.
Hear it.
You hear it?
Yeah, you're in the country, brother.
It's by my
You're
doorstep.
in the country. You're in the country.
Swinging, singing, sweet songs, melody. All right, that is it, people. Enough singing from Ringo Vision. We're fishing today, people, yeah? Welcome to 24 Hour Kitchen. That is it. Our good vibes. Are we making dinner?
We're making dinner. We are making clean, dirty burgers, people. Live.
Our good vibes.
Live.
Everyone, look, we're joined with Marky Mark today. Big up yourself, we're on the programme. We're here, we're by the river. So just look out, we're going to catch something today, no people, yeah? So those of you who love fishing and love a bit of camping, so you don't know, so we're on the adventures now, people, yeah? So you're going to get a lot of homeless, cooking, giving back. We're traveling in different areas, different locations, cooking. You understand, people? Yeah, look out for those episodes as well. But today we're down by the river. I'm joined with Marky Mark. Look, he's right here. He's just preparing things. Soon we're gonna be, you understand? The fishing rods are gonna go out, the nets are gonna go out, and hopefully we bring something in for the team, people, yeah? Big up yourselves, just stay tuned. Our good vibes. Everyone, Mark just told me that, Ringo, you're not by the river, you're down by the pond. All right, people, yeah? We're fishing by the pond. Look, I got my Wellington boots on, you think it's a joke. It's not a joke. We're soon ready. Our good vibes. What's this we're doing there, Mark?
We're just putting on, this is called a red robin. It's a little, I believe this is a halibut pellet, so fish smelling, fish based.
Yeah.
Hard pellet.
Yeah.
It'll stay on the rig. So we'll put this out there in a few minutes, people.
So what does this do?
Well, basically,
yeah,
once I get this together, I'm going to mould. I'll have to show you, people. I'm going to mould the method feeder with the mix that we just knocked up by the side of the pond there. The old
All right, people. So you see where I go on. Our good vibes. Mark, when you say action man, yeah?
Action.
Action man. Good vibes. Good vibes. Look, people, look. We've almost got our rod ready and set to go in the water, right?
We're just getting the bank sticks.
Bank sticks? What's a bank stick?
These are called, not bank seed, these are called bank sticks.
Yeah.
What it is, this will hold your rod in place.
Yeah.
Because basically we're going to be fishing this rod, people.
Let's get down the line. So
on the bottom.
Yeah.
So we want it locked. Because once that fish goes, you'll see the end of the rod, and the alarm will go.
All right. So
the alarm, people, will go.
What, when the fish comes on?
When the fish comes on, people.
Good vibes.
Tangled up.
What we doing right now, Mark?
Right, people, what we're doing now, we're going to mould up the method feeder with the mix.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's not too sloppy and we should be good to go the first time.
So okay, so basically you slap everything inside that little thing there.
This is called a method mix. Look at that. Nice and pretty and neat, people. Wow, I'm impressed.
You need to stick that on the grill.
I've impressed myself, people. I've impressed myself with that. It normally doesn't go this smooth first time. Normally too thick, too watery.
Maybe because I'm here to impress me.
There you go. This is what it is.
Good vibes.
The hook, everything all hid inside the method.
Okay, and then
all moulded inside the method.
So my man just comes in with his big mouth.
This hopefully will just land on the bottom like so.
Yeah.
That'll start dispersing away.
Yeah.
The little fishies are coming.
Yeah.
Hopefully the big boys think, you know, push you out of the way.
Yeah.
Suck that bait in.
With his big mouth, innit?
Suck that. I'm also going to put a few freebies out beside it.
What's
Robin Red. This is the same as we've got on the hook.
Yeah.
The same bait we're using on the hook. So what we'll do, once we've cast out, we'll sling a handful like so around it. More attractant, people.
So what you're trying to do here right now, you're trying to just basically create the best meal, like a 5-star meal, basically.
There you go.
That's what it is, isn't it?
There you go.
All right, 5-star meal going out into the pond, people. Yeah. Good vibes. Look at that. Out we go. That is it, people. So we've got our fishing net out. What are you doing now, Mark?
Just sinking the line.
What do you mean by sinking?
Sinking the line into the water.
Yeah.
So hopefully that'll rest on the bottom or thereabouts. So the fish, once the fish pass over it, hopefully come into the area, they won't get spooked by the line.
And what do you call this little machine there again?
This is called a bite alarm.
Oh, bite alarm.
This, people, is an indicator.
So it's going to make noise when the fish comes along.
I'm going to switch him on now.
Go on.
Well, in fact, let me just.
What does that do?
This is a clutch. So this lets off a bit of line. So what it is,
yeah,
the fish will be able to run. So it'll get hooked. It'll be able to run.
Like swim around a little bit.
Exactly.
All right, cool.
Exactly.
Look at that.
So here we go.
You hear that, people?
Bite alarm's going on.
Go on.
When we get a fish,
yeah,
you'll hear. Okay. And then I will get excited.
You get excited?
Very excited.
I'll get super duper excited.
Very excited.
I can't wait to see what's coming out of there.
You and me both.
Alright, good vibes. Let's go, people. You now throwing out a bit of freebies.
Just a few little freebies. In and around, hopefully. Draw them in. Not too many.
Yeah.
I don't want to fill them up and spoil them.
Yeah.
Because you want them to suck your hook bait. So there we go.
Good vibes, people.
Sit and wait.
So it's a waiting game.
It's a waiting game, people.
What's the longest you've ever waited for a fish here at this pond?
Here this time of year, sorry, this time of year, it's normally pretty good. I mean, if you're waiting somewhere more than an hour or two, the best advice is move. If you've got time in the day, if it's a short session, just try a few different positions in the pond.
What Mark's trying to say, people, yeah, in about 5 minutes we'll be catching the fish. I'll see you soon. Good vibes.
weren't the bread. This wasn't the bread. This was the one I said to you is out under the lily pads. And I had every confidence in it. So there you go, people.
That is it. Look at that. Wow. We've got something. We've actually got a catch, and you guys are actually witnessing this live here on TikTok, people. Yeah. Oof. Get that fishing net out. Our good vibes. We're winning. We're winning today, people. Come in.
We've already run with the hamburger.
Come on.
We've already run with the hamburger.
Bring her in, Mark. Go on, Marky Mark. Bring her in, boy. That's it. Bring her in.
She's in.
Hey.
So what you do now, people? Hook still in the mouth.
Look at that. Look at that.
Release the line, people.
Release the
Take
line.
the slack off. 9 times out of 10, that hook will come out of the mouth. Fish will be unharmed. Leave the line tight. The fish has got a good chance of ripping its lip. Right. Now we get the bag. In fact, that bit of bread, that could go. That bit of bread could go, people.
Look, everyone, big up yourself. Our good vibes. We've made a catch today. Our good vibes. We made a catch. Look at that. We actually made a catch.
We'll show it off in a minute, people.
We're gonna show it off, but
We'll show it off.
look at that.
Look at that, people. Right. Right, people, exactly as I said. Take the line, release the line, and the hook's out of its mouth. Full stop. Full stop. The proof's in the pudding, fella.
So the fish doesn't
All you fishermen who keep your tight line with your pressured fish in the net, take the bail arm off. Once you've got it in the net, take the bail arm off, fishermen. You won't damage their lips then, will you?
Good vibes. So look at that, everyone. So we've actually got a catch today. So how long can this bad boy stay out the water for, Mark?
It's cool now, so we're good for a few minutes.
A few minutes?
Yeah, we're good for a few minutes. If it was hot, I'd cool it down with water.
Yeah.
But we're in the evening now. There's no sun. It's not been a hot day really today.
Yeah. Got a lot of power there, this one.
Nice fish, but what it is,
Yeah.
see, he's sucking on the dummy now.
Yeah.
Look at that, people. Look at that, and look at the fins coming up, posing for the camera.
1 second, Mark, 1 second. That is it, yeah. Let me see the face. Look at that. Got a big catch today, people, yeah. Look at that. Our good vibes. Yes, people, so look. Amazing one today, people, yeah. So big up Marky Mark.
Thank you.
We've caught one. This one, how much do you think it weighs? Probably about what?
I'll give it £6-7, people. £6 or £7, yeah, I'm not going to exaggerate.
Yeah?
Yeah, people do exaggerate. I'll give it £6-7. I'm not going to weigh it.
Yeah.
It's not over 10.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, £6-7. If we've got a bigger one, people, while we're still here,
yeah,
we will weigh it. But no, I mean, you could give it £8 if you was down the pub. No, yeah. £6-7, a good clean £7. Yeah.
Look at that.
Easily. Look at that.
Look at that. A good catch today, people. Yeah.
Beautiful catch.
A good vibe.
Beautiful catch in the net.
In the net.
Right, and this is going back to his home now.
As you can see, that he's not flapping around as much no more.
Calm. Calm. So here we go, people. Like I said, catch and release. And there it is, people. As simple as that. He's gone. He's gone. Bye. See you again in maybe a week or two. I've had them before. 2 weeks, 3 weeks in between.
And look at the hands.
Same fish.
The hands are slimy.
Yeah, you've got your sink there.
What's all that? What's all this?
It's just what it's been eating. It's poo. It's just what it's been eating.
Okay.
There's your sink there. There's your sink, your outdoor sink. Don't take too much water.
Yeah.
Turn the tap off.
Let me just change the gloves. I feel like I'm out sliding.
Yeah.
Right.
That's good. Wow, that was a good feeling.
Good vibes.
Very good vibes.
Good vibes.
Enjoyed that.
Look, we're in again, people, yeah?
No, we're caught up on there. I need to get off of this.
Good vibes. Look at that.
Don't know, where is it though? Can't see it. Oh, there it's under the bush.
We got up and coming production.
It's under the bush.
Yeah? People, yeah, you need to go and look. Up and coming production. Go and check out Up and Coming Production, people, yeah, for all the visuals, all the camera work, people, yeah.
Feels like a big fish, doesn't it?
Music videos, hit him up.
Feels like a big fish, people.
A big one?
We've got a big fish.
Music videos?
That is it.
That is it. All camera works?
Yeah, everything, anything.
All right, and look out for the new vlogs. What's the latest stuff that's come out on your channel, Ben?
We literally just had a music video dropped today by J Baby Hating. It's called J Baby Hating. It's
all right,
proper.
People, go and check out Up and Coming Production, because Ben, you're almost monetized, isn't it?
Very nearly. We're about 400 watch hours away. We got the subscribers.
Big fish, people.
All right, people, go over to look. We're here. Go over to Up and Coming Production. We're all team. We've been here putting in the work for how long now? Yeah. And we need to get Ben. Time. We need to get it monetized. That is it. We've got a big fish as well. Look at that.
Big fish.
Big fish.
Big golden fish.
Big fish.
Look at the size of this fish.
Big.
Give us that net, please. Ringo, in fact, brother.
Go on. War in the water today, people.
Look at the rod, people. Look at the rod. Big fish. It's a big one. Big fish. This is over £10.
Yeah?
This we're going to weigh. This we're going to weigh. This is a big fish. Look at the rod.
Alright, let's get in. Let's get in there.
Big fish.
Coming out.
Bail arm off. Right, let it rest there. Big fish, people. Look at that.
Big fish.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that, people. Big fish. Look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that.
What do you say? One more?
Big fish.
Big fish.
Let me get the other rod
Look,
out.
we've got a next catch, people. Big fish this time. Mad thing. Look, can't lift it up with one hand. You're mad. You break the net. You break the net.
You break the net.
Our good vibes. Our good vibes. We're outside. We're fully active. Yeah, man, it was worth the wait coming out here. We're by the pond, people, yeah. Fishing. Look at that. Pond side. Mark's mad excited.
Mark's smiling from ear to ear. Ear to ear, people.
Our good vibes. We're going to weigh this one. We're going to weigh this one. 100%. Look out for the YouTube videos coming out. Our good vibes. Sports. Full moon is out. Not full moon, but the moon is out. Our good vibes. We say we'll just get the next rod out quickly.
Get the next rod out on the same spot. Or thereabouts. Feed a few freebies, because you never know.
Look, we've got the big thing in there now, look. Big thing.
Big.
Big, big.
£12 at least.
That's it.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, out there in the water again.
Not as far as I wanted it, but you know what? I'm going to sit on it, fella. I'm not greedy. I'm not greedy. I'm going to sit on that, but I don't like that bite alarm.
Look at that. We've got a big boy here. Good vibes.
We got a proper big boy.
Compared to the last one that we just collected.
This is 3 times bigger.
3 times bigger. Look at that.
3 times bigger, people. I'm going to weigh it. I'm going to weigh it. Right, what we need to do, people.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that, people. That's how we roll. This is how we roll, people. Yeah.
Big old fish. Look at that.
Look at the size of that. That's big. It's big. It's big. It's big. It's big. It's big. It's big.
Look at the mouth.
It's big. It's big. It's
big boy.
It's big. We've got £18.
How much?
£18.
£18?
Just over £18.
Look at that.
Come and have a look. Come and have a look. Come and record that.
Let's get that on camera.
You got that on camera?
£18 worth of fish, that is, you know. £18 worth of fish. Look at that. £18 worth of fish. Good vibes.
How is that? Wow. Look at it. Angry fish. £18 and a couple of ounces. Wow. Let's have a look at the other side, people. Wow, this is big.
Whoa!
This is big.
Calm down.
This is big.
Yes, everybody. So we've caught a big one, a really big one.
Huge one.
Yeah, 18-pounder.
And a couple of ounces.
And a couple of ounces. Look at that. Look at that. Our good vibes. So what's happening now, Mark? Tell everyone what's happening.
Just going to release this fish back.
Yeah.
But I'm just savouring the moment, people.
Yeah.
I'm just savouring it. Look at the size of that. I don't know if you can see it. I don't want to fall in the pond.
Yeah.
But look at the size of that, people. Come here. Look at that in this environment. Look at that for a fish. Right, I'm going to let it go now, okay? Right. Bye-bye, darling. Look at the spider still on it. Bye, darling. Right. Watch it just calmly go. It might even kick its tail. You ready, Hunter? Can you see this, young man? Yeah. You ready to see the big fishy go? Yeah. Should we count to 3? 1, count to 3.
2, 6, go!
Go! Bye, fishy.
Bye, fishy.
Bye, fishy. Come back and visit us when you're a bit bigger.
In it? When you're about 32 pounds.
Brother, that's a nice fish.
How good vibes.
It was a nice fish to come here without war. We've only been here 2 hours. That was a nice fish. Thank you, readers. Thank you, fishy gods. You've been good to me. Thank you for coming along, Hunter.
Yeah.
Don't know where Captain America has gone, but I'm sure he'll make an appearance shortly.
A good vibes.
Wow.
That's it, people. What a wonderful day. Fishing. We've left the river now. On our way out. A good vibes. Marky Mark. Just opening the gate. Thank you very much, people. Until next time, a good vibes.